Know what to do while in the quarantine? Can't eat and go anywhere that you like most of the time? Here is 5 things that make your quarantine time that doesn't suck. Number 1. TikTok. You have watched some TikToks on Instagram. Do you love dancing and wondered to be famous as Charlie D'Amelio? Here is the chance. Many celebrities like Hailey Bieber do some TikTok to make their quarantine time fun. Number 2. Make your own food. When your cravings kick in, you will feel like to eat something like pizza and burger. Do you have some cooking skills? That's not a problem. You can make your own delicious food at home. Number 3. Movie time. While in this quarantine time, you can watch a movie with your family. This can help to create a strong bond among your family. Number 4. Clean your room. Does your room look like a total mess? This is the time you can clean or upgrade your room to another level. Number 4. Read a book. It sounds boring, but read the book you love to read, like stories and histories and more. That's all for now. I hope these tips will help you during the quarantine time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and follow my socials at the description below. Can't wait to see you guys in next video. Bye.